Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial on logging into FTP and FTP basics. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol and is a way for you to move files from one place, like your computer, to another, like your website. In order to use an FTP program to move files, you need to first log in. But before we get started, you'll need an FTP program to work with if you don't already have one on your computer. One of the most popular FTP programs is FileZilla, which can be downloaded for free at http://filezilla-project.org/download.php. We'll be using FileZilla throughout this tutorial. Begin by opening FileZilla. FileZilla should look something like this. To log in, you're going to need three things. First, the FTP host. Second, the FTP username. And third, the FTP password. You received all three of these things in your BrainHost welcome email, which is right here. If you need any help retrieving your host name, username, or password, please contact customer support by calling 1-877-586-4694 or emailing support@brainhost.com or submitting a ticket at http://www.brainhost.com/help. Now you're going to go ahead and enter the login information in the appropriate places here. You can leave the port field empty. When you're done, click Quick Connect right there. You'll know that you successfully logged into your FTP if you see files and folders pop up in the windows on the right-hand side of the screen, as you see right here. If you did not log in successfully, you'll see a message in the window on the right-hand side of the screen that says, "Not connected to any server," as you see right here. Once you've logged in, you can begin using your FTP program to transfer files. Now let's take a minute to talk about how your FTP program is set up. Your local directory, or the files on your computer, are shown on the left-hand side of the FTP program, while your remote directory, the files on your web server or website, are shown on the right-hand side of your FTP program. In order to transfer files from one place to another, all you need to do is click on the file you want to transfer from your computer, which will be on the left-hand side here, hold your mouse button down, and drag the file over to where you want to transfer it to. So we're just going to want to drop it over here at a general spot and release your mouse button once you have the file where you want it. When you transfer files, you'll see some transfer messages appear in a box at the bottom left-hand side of the screen here. Wait till all of your files have finished transferring before you exit out of the program. If you need any additional help or have any questions about logging into your FTP, please contact customer support. And that concludes our tutorial on logging into your FTP and FTP basics.